guys, what's up? Welcome back to Windira's vlog. So for today, we are going to try this one. Aray! This is the Volvo Road Roller SD100DC. SD100DC guys, yung model. So, let's try it out. Walang operator dito ngayon, so magpapaturo lang tayo sa kung sino yung available, okay? So, stick with me. Guys, thank you for staying with me. So, yung pag-operate pala ng road roller, medyo simple lang siya compared to other equipments. Kasi ano lang siya guys, atras abante. And then, dalawa lang yung kanyang controllers. So, this one is to stop and go. Pag ginanito mo, papunta doon. Pag pabalik, ito lang. And then, yung stop niya sa gitna lang. So, this one is for mag-vibrate daw siya. So, kung gusto mo na mas malakas, so i-pull mo lang siya papunta doon. So, yun lang siya. And then, manabela lang kung saan mo siya gustong lumiko. Medyo nakakatakot lang siya mag-vibrate kasi talaga pati yung buong kalamnan ko nagba-vibrate din. Tapos, actually guys, yung original plan sana natin is, yun sana yung gusto kong try. Grader. Kaya lang, ang dami daw siyang controls and then, mas komplikado siya. Tapos, yung operator niya is day off ngayon. So, hindi natin matry kasi walang magtuturo. So, kaya, yung ano lang, yung road roller lang muna yung tinry natin ngayon kasi medyo mas kaya natin to. So, yun na nga guys. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And maraming salamat po sa pag-support. And hopefully next time, matry na natin yung grader. See you again next time. Bye!